You are all welcome back to Becky Cooks. So first of all, to make this egusi soup, we are going to boil our meat. I have pomo, I have cow skin, I have stockfish, and I have biscuit bone. So I just added in seasoning cube, ginger garlic paste, and salt, and then I'm adding water. You can use any protein of your choice to make this. So I'm going to cook this for 30 minutes until it's soft. Meanwhile, I'll start preparing the other ingredients. These are the ingredients I'll be using. I have okwe here, I have uziza seeds and calabash nutmeg. This will just take the taste to another level entirely. This very nice native flavor it will give to your soup. Please don't skip uziza seed. The flavor is amazing for soups, all the kind of soups you want to make. So to my egusi already grounded, I'm going to turn it into a thick paste. I'm mixing it with normal room temperature water. And this is uziza leaf. I'm going to pluck it out from the stem and slice it into tiny bits. The flavor from this is just so amazing, and it takes the taste and flavor of your soup to a very nice level. So I just transferred my cooked meat into the pot I'm using to cook, and I blended my pepper mix and I poured it into the meat mixture. And after it has boiled for a while, I'm adding in the egusi paste bit by bit. And when I finish, I'm going to just cover it like that for about 10 minutes. And this is what we have. It's looking nice already. So I added in a little bit of seasoning cube. Just taste it and adjust the taste to your preferred, how you prefer it. You can see the lumps. So you just let that boil for a while. This is pepper soup spice, and this is crayfish powder, crayfish and dried prawn, and this is my panla fish. I deboned it, washed it, and I added it to the soup. At this stage, our soup is almost ready. I decided to add a little bit of palm oil and let that boil. Let it mix up with everything. That should take about 10 minutes. And then I just sprinkled my uziza leaf. If you want to add more, you are free to add, and if you want to add ugu also, you are free to add. And after a while, our soup is ready. So I'm enjoying this with eba. So let me know what you are going to enjoy this with. Is it pounded yam, semovita, plantain swallow? Whichever swallow you want to have this with, it's just amazing. And I would like you to give this a try and let me know what you think in the comment section. Please don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and enjoy until I come your way again. Stay blessed. Bye.